students, I hope all are doing good. Today we will learn the first chapter of your 4th standard science, plants preparing and storing food. In this chapter we will learn about how plants prepare their food. You see many plants and trees around you which are very beautiful because they are full of green leaves. And why the leaf is green? The leaves are green because of a substance called chlorophyll present in them. And only green leaves can prepare food for plants or trees since they contain chlorophyll in them. Hence, leaves need air, water and sunlight to prepare food. Then how do plants prepare food? First, plant takes in water from soil and carbon dioxide from air. In the presence of sunlight, leaves convert water and carbon dioxide into food in the form of sugar. Sunlight provides energy to these leaves. Hence, green leaves need water, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and sunlight to prepare food. This process of leaves preparing food for plants is called photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means putting together. Since the sunlight is required to put water and carbon dioxide together to prepare food, we call this process as photosynthesis. Next, we will learn about parts of leaf. Take a people leaf and observe the underside of the leaf. There is a main vein running from the middle of the leaf and it has number of side veins. Main vein is also called as midrib, which is made up of double pipeline cells. One of the pipeline cell will carry water and minerals to all the cells of the leaf, and other pipeline cell will carry prepared food from green cells to other parts of the plants. On the underside of the leaf, there are small pores or openings which are called as stomata. The function of the stomata is, during photosynthesis, leaves takes in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen and water vapor through this stomata. Next, how do plants use their food? The food prepared by plants is in the form of simple sugar, and they use their food for their growth, their energy, and extra food is stored in the form of starch in leaves, roots, fruits and stem. If you take spinach, it is stored in leaves. In mango, it is stored in fruit. In carrot, it is stored in roots, and in sugarcane, it is stored in stem. Next, some unusual plants. Plants like cactus do not have leaves. Then how do they prepare their food? They prepare their food with their green stem, which has chlorophyll. Molds and mushrooms are non-green plants. They do not have leaves or they do not make their food. They get their food from dead and decaying plants and animals. Plants like croton have chlorophyll, but they appear in dark red. This is because of the presence of red substance which will hide the green chlorophyll. Next, we will learn about energy flowing in living things. We need energy for every activity we do, and we get this energy from food. This food is prepared by green plants. Green plants trap the sun's light during photosynthesis to prepare food. This energy is passed on to animals and human beings when they eat plants. In this way, energy is flowing from sun to plants and plants to animals and human beings. Next, animals and plants depend on each other. Yes, they depend on each other for their survival. Animals and human beings need food to eat and oxygen to breathe. And plants give this food and oxygen. Plants need carbon dioxide to prepare food. Animals and human beings breathe out carbon dioxide and this is used by plants. In this way, animals and plants depend on each other. Next, balance in nature. A balance needs to be maintained between the number of plants and animals. What will happen if there is a sudden increase in the number of animals? Plants may not be able to supply proper oxygen and food. What will happen if there is a sudden increase in plants? Carbon dioxide breathed out by plants and animals may not be enough for plants. The same way, if there is a decrease in both the number of plants and animals, it will disturb the nature. So we have to protect both plants and animals also. There are many zoos and sanctuaries to protect animals and birds. We have events like Vana Mahotsava which will promote the planting of trees every year. If the life on the earth has to go on, there must be balance in nature. This is about your first chapter. Thank you.